Hello everyone, this is Dr. Priyanka. Welcome to another video on product discussion. And today the product in discussion is the Complexion Renewal pads from Zeo Skin Health. Before we go ahead and discuss this product in detail, let me just clear the air and answer one of the most frequently asked questions by my clients whenever I give them this product. It says Complexion Renewal pads, so will this product help me become fair? This is one of the most commonest asked questions. So let me just tell you. This product does not do that, and at DNA as a policy we do not promote any procedure or treatment or product that talks about fairness, because honestly that's not possible. There is no product or treatment that will help in lightening the color of your skin by 1 or 2 shades. It can only improve the overall tone, texture of the skin. It helps in brightening your skin or maybe achieving the glow that you want, but there is no treatment that we talk about that helps in lightening the shade of your skin. Having addressed that, let's now get into the details of this product. So Complexion Renewal pads can exfoliate your skin in a dual action mechanism, that is they can both physically and chemically exfoliate your skin. This is because these are pre-soaked textured pads. Now if you take a close look, these pads have a texture to it that isn't too rough that will ruin the skin barrier and make your skin sensitive, but it is rough enough to take care of the dead skin cells and unclog your pores. So that's how the texture works. And when we look at the chemical ingredients, the main ingredient is glycolic acid, which is a proven epidermal exfoliator. That means it takes care of the superficial exfoliation. This also has salicylic acid in it, which means it's going to keep the surface oils in control. So if you have oily skin or acne prone skin because of the oils, it is going to take care of the oil aspect of your skin and put the surface oils under control as well. So that's how this Complexion Renewal pads will have beautiful dual action effect. These pads also have botanical blend extracts, which means they provide antioxidant benefit, taking care of the free radical damage of skin, making your skin more healthy. However, Complexion Renewal pads also have certain amount of denatured alcohol in it. Probably they have used it as a solvent, but I am very conservative when it comes to having alcohol based products. So this also acts like a toner, but I do not have toners as a regular product in my prescriptions. That is very personalized based on the skin type and concern. So because this has denatured alcohol, I always start my clients very slow. That is, I give them once a week to begin with and then gradually progress it to twice a week, 3 times a week, and then as an everyday use. As per the company suggestions, this particular product is recommended to be used twice a day, both in your PM and AM routine. But for me, when it comes to these pads, like I said, because of the alcohol content, because of the texture content and having glycolic acid also in addition to cause the exfoliation, I am very conservative. I use this, start it off slow and then gradually progress it like I just mentioned. And then if you are comfortable using it and if your skin is not showing any sensitivity reactions, that is when you progress it to using 2 times a day if there is actual need for it. That is, if you have an oily skin or excessively oily skin leading to acne and you are getting exposed to a lot of dust, pollution, grim, and where your skin is being clogged all the time, also with a lot of makeup. So that's when you use it twice a day. But for me, I have been using this consistently for a very long time now, and this is I personally use it once a day every single day, and I have no sensitivity issues with this, and my skin type is dry to combination skin. So this product is given for dry to combination skin, and this counterpart, there's something called oil control pads, which we give to extremely oily skin or acne prone skin. So now let's look at the positives. This has dual exfoliating action, that is both physical and chemical. It helps in keeping surface oils under control, and it also has antioxidant effect. And the negatives, it has denatured alcohol, which could lead to sensitive skin issues. The answer to this is starting slow and progressing gradually. It also has fragrances, which again can lead to sensitive skin issues, but like I said, I have never encountered any in my practice nor on myself personally. Again, the answer to this is to start slow and gradually progress till you reach the right optimum level of using these pads on yourself. And the final verdict, I personally love this product. I have been using this consistently for a very long time now, like I already mentioned. But is it a must have in your skincare kit? Well, if you have certain skin concerns, for me in my practice, people with active acne, excessively oily skin, people with dull complexion looking for even skin tone, and as a part of anti-aging skincare routine, this has to be in your skincare routine at least for a while till you've improved the tone and texture of your skin, and then gradually we can drop down the budget and fix onto certain products that are actually mandatory. I would put this more of a want than need if you don't have any skin concerns. So if you do not have any active skin concerns but you're looking for a complete skincare routine that can help and maintain the health of your skin in the long run, yes, this goes into your kit. But like I said, all the Zeo products are expensive, so everything ultimately depends on the interest and the budget that you have. So we always very personally curate your skincare kit, keeping the concerns, your long-term goals and your budget in mind. So when we put all of these factors, I will be able to tell you if this has to be in your skincare kit or not. But if you take the budget out of the equation, definitely Complexion Renewal pads is a product that you should look out for. And if you have excessively oily skin or acne prone skin, like I said, the counterpart, the oil control pads are also available. That is something that you will be needing. I hope this video was informative and you found it useful. If you have any more queries, you can reach to me on my social media handles or through mail info@dnaskinclinic.in. Let's healthify and simplify your skincare routine, and until then, you guys stay healthy and stay happy.